customers transform, not just sell the product or services. Hi everybody, this is Rita JT, real estate broker with Century 21 Innovative. Today, I am very excited to share my coffee chat with Madhvi Nigam. Our journey has been a celebration. Madhvi, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for inviting me. Hi everyone, thank you Rita for inviting me.
Oh, it's always a pleasure.
Yeah.
And as I mentioned earlier, it's been our journey has been a celebration.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I remember when we first met. Which year was that?
It was 2018.
2018. See,
Yeah.
the time flies by.
Yes,
And
it
I
is.
know, like it was like you were 9 months expecting, right?
Yes.
And how old is he now?
He's a 3 years old.
3 years.
Yeah.
I wish he was here and his dad was here with us today.
yeah. You know, the 3 years, their phase is like they're super active, and they would not have let me to talk and about this, my wonderful journey, right? So,
Okay. No, I truly appreciate
yeah, they are playing in the playground, so
Awesome,
I can just
awesome.
enjoy this conversation with you.
Awesome. Thank you once again. Madhvi, when you were initially looking for a real estate agent to represent you, so what was the most important thing for you?
Okay, the first thing who can guide us and walk through us step-by-step process, because we were new in this country. We came in Canada in 2017 and we started this journey in 2018, so it's not even 1 year. So we wanted someone who can educate us and help us to achieve our long-term goals, because our goal just not to rent. So we want to save some money and buy a good house, and we were so tightened with the budget and the area constraint. So we only looking for the area which is close to my working station, which is goes close to any TTC or GO station. So we had very constraint that we are looking for something, that would satisfy our all conditions. So, and we found Rita. She was the best.
So, Madhvi, you're my loyal customer, right?
Yes.
So, what problem my services, my real estate services, helped you resolve?
The biggest problem that I had, like, I was only constrained with the area and the budget, because I had very limited budget, and I wanted that my budget with my area, all these should satisfy and give me the dream home which I'm looking for. And she has helped us throughout this journey. So the best part, she gave us what we wanted, and she went out of her box and helped us to find the best mortgage. And even at one point we didn't have money to provide a down payment, but she went ahead and helped us to, okay, you have an option for our RSP, you can take it from and provide the down. We didn't know about this all process. She guided us, okay, what we can overcome with our difficulties and get the home.
What kind of experience did you enjoy during my real estate service to you?
The first thing I enjoy and the best part of you is you treated us as a family, not who's selling her business. Because at one point I remember my car got stuck and I had to pick up my kid before 2 o'clock, and I was clueless, like what should I do? And first thing I called Rita, and she stopped whatever she was doing.
I was in Walmart.
Oh yeah, I remember. And she stopped what she doing, and she came to pick me up from IKEA. I guess I was in IKEA.
IKEA
And,
parking lot.
Yeah, IKEA parking lot, and she picked me, and then we picked my son, and see, this is like who's growing a family, not growing the business. And regarding my dream home, which we got just because of Rita, I had a lot of conditions, the area, the budget, and one condition was like, I want my house nearby garden because my son is super active.
Yeah, the park with the swings and everything.
Parks and swings. And the park is just even 2 minutes from my house.
You could walk down to the park, yeah.
you just need a walk and
Yeah.
walk for 2 minutes, and you are in the garden.
Yeah, I love, you know what?
Yeah.
I love when my clients feel fantastic.
Yes,
Yeah.
I am super fantastic. With the,
Thank you, Madhi. You know, buying home or selling home, it's a really
Yeah.
exciting time, right? It's a really exciting moment.
Yeah.
And my goal is to take all that stress
Yeah.
and walk through the process, buying process, selling process, just seamlessly.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was a wonderful journey, and thank
It's
you.
been a real celebration.
Yes.
I really enjoyed working with
Yeah.
you. It's been a real pleasure. Yeah.
And she always go out of her box and do the stuff for you. So you will be very happy to enjoy her services.
Thank you, Madhvi. I truly appreciate. And guys, thank you for listening to us. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon below. And stay tuned with my upcoming videos. And I will be sharing many more experiences and life experiences and personal stories as well.
Yeah,
So
don't
stay
forget-
tuned. Yeah, stay tuned. Thank you.